All right. So tonight
Can you get this back on?
we're going
Before
to
it screws it.
fill up. Yeah, we're going to fill up the air conditioner. So we bought this thing here that we are trying to put together again. Here. That's Jared. His phone is fixed now.
Phone's fixed.
Right. Yeah. So this comes like that, right? And each car has its own port. And in this case here, this is the Dodge Ram. So this is the front of the car. And this guy here is the port, right? So this is the radiator here. So you go to the left side, you have the little port. So that's here. We're going to use this thing. And so what we do is we unscrew that. Yep, you can see. And then we take that little tab out of there. God knows how. We didn't try before. Jared is very strong, thank God. All right. And now screw back in there. I don't know why the blowing is for, but it does something. All right. So that's it. There are instructions in there and everything. Of course, you're not gonna read. So now, oh yeah, we need to cut that. So I'm gonna get a knife. Look. There you go. So now we do that. I think I'm gonna let Jared do that. Oh, we did it. The bottom one. All right. You see that we have such a finesse. that was the instruction. All right. So apparently you plug this thing and it's gonna tell you what is the pressure. So hang on before you plug. Let me hold this. See the pressure. So you see. No. Nope. Oh, you might need to pull it. Pull back. No, pull back like with your two fingers like this.
Alright, stop that one.
Or
Just have a look.
or that's not the port.
Maybe it's not the port.
So let's find the port. There's a website they say.
That is a port.
Oh?
That's the port.
You gotta be right.
So this is. What size is that? Where's the other one? No, you're crazy. I don't think we do that. I think it's one more. We just push to engage.
Okay. So Jared found another port here that had a little thing saying evap
Service port.
service port.
Not my good.
This looks like this.
That is it. That's it.
Dude. It can't 1 PSI.
Yeah.
So how many PSIs?
Yeah,
Okay.
I would say.
Can you gonna try? See if it works. We just don't press anything. So, all right. So here's gonna plug it.
Get out of the way.
All right. So let's see. He's plugging. See what happens here. Does it fit?
Yeah.
Is it there?
It's on there.
Uh-oh.
Goes again. It's going straight out. Try it again.
So basically it's the back one. It fits straight. You squeeze in here. Yep. And then it stays there.
Yep.
Engage.
Yeah. So it's filled. It says it's filled.
So it says that's filled. So I think we can fill a little more. Oh yeah. Just put your face out there in case it explodes. I don't like the noise doesn't continue. Maybe you need to turn upside down.
Maybe you need to shake it.
Okay, can we take it off? It's not gonna explode or anything. Shake, shake. I don't know. Just shake.
It blows up.
Shake before using. I'm just making that up. Huh.
See instructions.
That's the money shot.
Oh.
Okay, let's do it again. Oh, I think we found it.
You think?
Yeah.
There's larger diameter pipe.
Okay, squeeze it, push the top of it. Yeah, there you go. Let me see.
So filled.
So it's filled. Yep. No? I think it's good now. Good.
Yeah.
I think we're good there.
Alright, let's try it.
Push the thing like this. Yeah, there you go.
Alrighty.
Off. There's no cap because this is a 1998 car. And good. Now we gotta try. Let's try it. Alright. So apparently we should start the car and then do all this. Of course you didn't read. Alright. Now you're gonna recirculate and do all this shit. Alright. So apparently we gotta do this here. And do what?
That's it.
And then now we're gonna fill up?
Yep.
Alright, so now we gotta do that. So it's a very... Okay, I think the cooler is there.
Where is it?
Back there. We are fixing the air conditioner. Yeah, that's sunny. You forgot your light on? No, just a little bit. Look, yeah. Don't be careful, don't touch the...
Alright.
Hang on, you can stay. Bye. And then what do we do? Oh, look at that. Hey. Yeah. I guess now it's cooking. So did you guys learn it? Oh, look at that. Now let go, let's see. Oh, it was very empty. So apparently this whole thing goes in there. What do you want?
Instructions?
I lost it. Hang on. Oh, it's okay. Oh, you don't need instructions anymore. Look, field is green. So if it's green, it's good. There you go.
No, where's the rest of it? Where's the rest of it?
What we were? Oh, there's more on my fucking.
Yeah, I know.
He ripped this
Okay,
stuff
charge
out of
it.
it.
Shake him on the screw. Connect the quick connect back to the.
Hey, hang on. Wait a second. We didn't read the instructions.
Oh, we're good.
Oh my god, I know.
Okay. So what happens? You marry a Brazilian and you have help from
Read
Australia.
the lowest pressure. Hold on. Read the lowest pressure. Hold it for a second. When it goes down, read the lowest pressure. I was going to change here in a second. So we've still got a lot to go.
All right.
See? The lowest pressure.
So are you squeezing it?
Not yet. Watch when it drops. Still got a lot to go.
Why are you shaking?
It told me to.
Well, so that's why you're making the video, so you don't need to read the instructions or reap it, you know? Look at that.
Lowest pressure point. That's almost there. You just have to get that into green.
He's training for the Olympics.
Here we go. Watch.
Better. So you need to wait See the noise, like, zzz, and then it goes down. So when the noise goes down, that needle goes down to look. Right.
Almost there.
And then you know when it's filled. I think you can go a long ways to get in the middle of the field, otherwise it's gonna get empty again. I wonder why the engine is making this noise.
Because the air conditioner's on. That's what it does. Because I'll show you how to
It's almost.
Almost there.
But keep going. I mean, you want me to do it?
I know.
It's something so stupid, but you know it has some
It's cold.
some work into it. Is it? You need a glove?
Oh, yeah. Here we go.
Now we're cooking. Dude, look at this thing. It's a beast. So the plan is you're gonna paint this white, get this rust out of here, paint all of this white. I think it's a bad idea, but we are going to anyway. And we are going to put a stripe in here, which is blue, 2 of them,
Yeah.
and it'll be all there. Let me see if it's inside this code still. It's code still? No, it's code now. Oh, it's much better. Yeah. All right.
So close. Just needs to touch the green. So just a little bit more. There's stuff in there.
Sure.
Yeah. Don't.
Oh yeah, it's a bunch.
It says at 12 degrees. At 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. That's 12. This is 6 o'clock.
Depends who you ask. Let's give that a whirl. Now.
Let's see.
Let's got it. Let's got it. Yeah.
God, it's like it knows
Right.
that it's filling up and it's squeezing. All right, so after a while, we did it. Look, so we have, it is going all the way down. It is empty anyway, so I don't have any other option. It says touch the green line. It's passing a little bit, but there is a
Still
thing.
touching it.
It's still touching. I guess there is a thing that comes in here that you glue into your vent, and then it's going to tell you. It changes the color here to say if it's warm, colder, or coldest. So I guess we are pretty good here. It feels good inside, which didn't feel good before. So I guess we have a success story.
Yes.
See you next time.